Alright, thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Driven by Gears, where today we're going to try to tackle these engine mounts. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so I finally got this one on. Now, let me tell you about this one. There was a whole lot of cussing involved, so I didn't film that. This one here is 10 times worse than that one. That one I could do by myself, but this one, no damn way. Like, there's one bolt right here that you basically can't even get to. There's a hole right here, but you can't even get in there far enough to reach. Yeah, see that little hole? That's what they expect you to go through. Now, maybe if you had a 90-degree wrench, you could get in there, but yeah. And then this one here with so much, what it is underneath the whole surround that you have to go through, it had some more metal in there versus where the other one didn't, so I couldn't get my universal and stuff in there at the right angle. So yeah, the passenger side, no joke. Driver side, easy. You can do it by yourself. But yeah, I got them on here, nice and tight, made in the USA, so should be good to go on that. And I'm going to finish a little bit of painting here, and that'll probably wrap up this evening, so y'all will get this video Alright, as you can see there, I did the firewall just a little bit with some corrosive primer stuff. You know, that doesn't allow it to corrode, so I kind of painted up the firewall a little bit with that. This is not the paint that I'm going to spray with it. It's going to be textured with some metal flake, but I just put that on there now for some corrosion preventive measures. So that's probably going to be about it for tonight. Did the engine mounts and a little bit of prep on the painting. So tomorrow I'm probably going to finish painting the frame with some of the corrosion preventive stuff, and then from there, while that's drying, I'll start taking the transmission off this engine and make sure it mounts up to that. And then from there, we will change if this is good, I'll change the fluids out on it. I already got fluid over there and the filter and all that. And then we're going to put this back in. I'm not going to try to tackle putting the engine and the tranny in together this time. Now also, I wanted to know y'all's comments. I got these short tube headers. Leave a comment below if you think these short tube headers are going to clear the frame with the engine as I go to put it in, or am I going to have to take one of them off? It'd be kind of nice to know. It's looking like it'll clear to go in, but I don't know. We won't find out until we get there. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is just another little short clip of some progress. We'll just add one each day. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.